Hello guys, so I wasn't gonna film this, but while we are here, let me just get a video as well. So my sister's BMW 1 Series is leaking lots of coolant, and then I started up the car and I see obviously there is, don't know if you can see, yeah, right there, there's a lot of coolant down there. I spotted one of the pipes, that one that is leaking continuously, so I'm just gonna reach it out now. So I'm just gonna remove this here and then get to it here. So never get a BMW. An old one. How can I say this? It's leaking everywhere. Hey, it was like an explosion here. Just gonna start the car up again just to check one more thing. So I just took the bit of plastic and found a problem. Hopefully this is the culprit. As you can see here, it's a bit cracked in there, and on this side it's clearly leaking from as you can see, it's all dripping down along here all the way to the bottom, onto that pipe there, onto the ground, and it's a lot of coolant in there. Obviously this needs to be replaced because it's obviously broken, and I'm going to start the car once again just to check to see if there is any obvious leak. Look at that, leaky. So I had to come to the scrapyard, bought some tools. I'm gonna look for a 1 Series now, see if I can find one. There's lots of cars here. It's gonna be a long one. Most cars I can see is mini Cooper. One here, one there, one there, one there, one there. Shit, one there. Two here. Oh yeah, let me try and find some engineers that BMW. Even found the BMW there. Let me see if that has the same engine. Slightly different engine, and the bits that I needed, they are obviously all gone. Womp. On to the next one. Most of the interior is still here, steering wheel is gone. Another one here. Everything seems to be gone as well. Oh, not lucky. Oh, now found 2 in a row. Same color, same year. Damn. Oh, this is the engine. And it's complete so far. Let me see. Oh, I think that part is there. Hold on. So, different engines here. This one is the N42/N46. Petrol one, and this is the diesel one. This is the one that I want. I think it's the 120D. 118D, same shit. And this one should be 116 or 118. 116i, yeah. Oh. Alright. Let me see. Losing balance here. Okay, let's get it on. Let's get it off. So, this is the bit that I need. It seems in good condition. There is no leaks there that I can see, otherwise there would be a smear of coolant. It's slightly cracked. I'm still going to take it off and take it. I'm still gonna go around the whole scrapyard and see if I can find any better ones. If not, I'll just take this one, which probably is gonna be cheap, so we'll see. Damn. Oh no! It's out. This is what I needed. It's a bit rough, but it will work. There is a gasket that was there. I already got it in the back. So yeah, that's it. Just need to get the little clip that I fell. So I just finished collecting the parts and paying for it. It cost a $5 for it. Good. You know, you see this bike here on the CBR 600? Yes, it's here for sale for 700 quid. The guy said it just needs a battery, but I highly doubt it. Probably just wants to sell it, but yeah, it looks really good. I mean, for the ages, I think it's a 2003. But yeah, if any of you guys wants to buy this, I'll message me and I'll send you the location of where it's being sold. It's a scrapyard, so no logbook, I think. There is a key and ignition, but yeah, let me know. So now we are back to the car. So yeah, I got this one here. I got even the rubber seal as well. As you can see, this one is all cracked and it's all leaking there compared to the one in the scrapyard. So wish me good luck. I'm just gonna replace it. So the problem is to get to that bolt there, behind there. But yeah, we'll get to it. That's fine. Oh, so my plan is going to remove this one here, and then maybe this will detach, and then I can get to the bolt, to the 10mm in there. So I've got this big rig I'm gonna use. Wish me good luck. Probably will go wrong, but I don't care. Shit. Okay, maybe not. Look at that. Yeah. What is not allowing me to push this back solid? Man. Gosh. Coño. So I now managed to pull it off here. I'm just gonna wedge it out and then remove the bolt. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah, focus. There we go. Rusty busty. There you go. It's all out, as you can see here. Yeah. Look at that. I'm gonna use this yellow gasket, and there is another gasket on the inside here. This is the old one, and there is one there nicely placed, so I'm not gonna even move it. Yeah, let's get it on. We remove this little one here. Yeah. I got these bolts covered in WD-40. Everything seems to be connected, but I'm going to double check. So these ones are okay, this one is okay, this one is okay, the one down there is okay as well, that one is back on. Time to test it and see if it leaks. Let me see. Maybe we'll need a coolant flush. Still got a bit left. Oh. Alright, let's start it. Wait. Well, it's looking good so far, because I used to see it leaking down there, and I cannot see anything leaking, and obviously down here as well, it was leaking down the way, and it seems pretty dry. I'll let it run for a few more seconds or minutes, you can see. So I'll let it idle for a few more minutes, and so far so good, no leaks, perfect. So basically I just need to change this bit here, which the old one is there all knackered. So yeah, that is it, all done. Wow, there you go. Yeah, I'm just gonna put the plastics all back together and then call it a day, and that's it. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. Oh, hold on, I forgot to check the coolant level just to make sure it didn't go down, because that's what's been happening previously. Ooh, wait, that is great. That means no coolant lost whatsoever. Mechanic. Technologia! Technologia! Eh? Technologia! Very good. But yeah, now I can say bye-bye, guys. Everything is back together now, so see ya.